Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up one very interesting question from algebra. We have to find out real x for the equation x cube minus 2 cube equal to square root of 17 square minus 10 square. So let's get started by writing our equation as x cube minus 8 equal to square root of 289 minus 100. So we can write x cube minus 8 equal to square root 189. Now add 8 to both sides. So this will be over. We will get x cube equal to square root 189 plus 8. Now we can write square root 189 as 21 times 9 plus 8. So this 9 will come out as 3. So we can write x cube will be equal to 3 square root 21 plus 8. Now we can see right hand side is positive. So x cube will be positive. From here we can conclude for real x must be positive. We will accept only x positive solutions. Let's write x cube equal to 3 square root 21 plus 8. Now I will consider the conjugate of x cube, which will be equal to 3 square root 21 minus 8. Now I will subtract second equation from first one. So x cube minus y cube, this will be equal to 16. Let's consider the product of these two, x cube times y cube. We can write this will be equal to 3 square root 21 plus 8 times 3 square root 21 minus 8. So a plus b times a minus b, we can use difference of two squares formula, and we can write 3 square root 21 whole square minus 8 square. So 9 times 21 is 189 minus 64. This difference will be 125, which we can write equal to 5 cube also. So LHS is xy whole cube, RHS is 5 whole cube. Once we will take cube root for real xy value, we will get xy equal to 5. Now this equation I will call equation number 1. Here I will say equation number 2. Now we have to solve this new system of equations. Let me write here. But before that, friends, if you are an Olympiad aspirant or planning to do preparation for SOF, Crest, Unicus, Silver Zone, Asset, Indian Talent Olympiad, Hummingbird from grade 2 to grade 10, then Olympiad Success offers you live interactive sessions, PYQs, tests and many more. Please check out the description box and use referral code GYAN15 to get 15% discount. Let's come back to our problem. So our first equation was x cube minus y cube equal to 16, and second equation was xy equal to 5. Now let us assume x minus y equal to t. Now we know the formula x minus y whole cube. This is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy times x minus y. Now x minus y is t and x cube minus y cube is 16. Xy is 5. Let's use, I will write t cube as LHS. X cube minus y cube 16 minus 3 times xy is 5, x minus y is t. So t cube equal to 16 minus 15t, or we can write t cube plus 15t minus 16 equal to 0. Now this equation is cubic equation. If I will simply plug in t equal to 1 to our equation, I will get 1 plus 15 minus 16. So this is satisfying our equation. So I can say t minus 1 is one factor of this cubic equation. So I have to find out remaining 2. So let's divide. I will write t minus 1 as divisor, and our cubic equation t cube plus 15t minus 16. This I will consider dividend. Let's find out quotient. So I will take t square times. So it will give us t cube minus t square, which I will write here. Sign change will be there. I will cancel t cube and minus t cube. So t square plus 15t minus 16. Again I will take t times. So we will get t square minus t. Sign change will be there. We will get 16t minus 16. Now I will take 16 times. So it will give us remainder 0. So here we have the second quadratic factor. So I can write t minus 1 times t square plus t plus 16 equal to 0. So from here I can conclude either t minus 1 will be 0 or t square plus t plus 16 will be 0. So from first equation we can conclude t will be equal to 1. And from this quadratic equation we can check the discriminant first. B square minus 4ac. B is 1, so 1 square minus 4 times a is 1, c is 16. 1 minus 64. So our discriminant is coming out negative. We will get complex solutions. So this quadratic will be rejected as we are looking for real solutions. Now from this equation I can say t was our substitution, so we can write x minus y equal to 1. So I can calculate the value of y. Y will be equal to x minus 1. And our second equation was xy equal to 5. So I can put this y value here. So I can write x times x minus 1 equal to 5. Let's solve this quadratic. X times x minus 1 equal to 5. Or we can write x square minus x equal to 5. Or x square minus x minus 5 equal to 0. Let's use quadratic formula. So I will write formula first, minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Here a is 1, the coefficient of x is square, b is negative 1, the coefficient of x, and c is constant negative 5. So we will get x equal to minus b, so 1, plus minus square root of b square is minus 1 square 1, minus 4 times 1 times minus 5, so plus 20, over 2 times 1, so 2. So I can write x equal to 1 plus minus square root 21 over 2. So I will be writing two values, 1 plus root 21 over 2 and 1 minus root 21 over 2. If I will check the approximate value, so this is negative, this is positive. So we will accept x positive only. So this will be accepted. Second solution will be rejected. So our final answer becomes x equal to square root 21 plus 1 over 2. Thank you so very much friends for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.